Her heart underneath cries quietly. This part of me I choose not to see. What lives must I take for fealty's sake? How much blood must stay this warrior's blade? War leaves its trail in moonlight so pale. Its shadows they flow in rivers and rivers. So put on my mask, I'll go where they ask, so I might once again see the roses of May, staining my soul and stinging my eyes. No red on my hands won't wash away, nowhere to run from what I have done. I'm no longer a rose of May. Fate holds the blade before you, mirrored in maiden's eyes. Far from myself I fly into the perilous skies, and they said follow the blade before you, fear fall and courage rise. Leave all your tears behind you, far from where innocence lies. Cage of the kings, no need for wings, so turn them to stone, from roses to bone. When you look at me, what do you see?